Hello guys, if you're having an issue while installing an application on your Android device and the issue is like app not installed, so if you are having an issue, let me fix this issue in this video. Guys, there are four reasons why this error occurs, so I will tell you the four reasons and you will no longer will have the issue. So guys, first problem is with the file manager from where you're installing. For an example, if you have installed the application from if you have downloaded the application from Chrome browser and if you are trying to install from Chrome browser, then you have to do some settings. Let me show that. Long press on Google Chrome, you'll have an option called app info. Click on app info. You'll be having an option called install apps from unknown. It will be like untick. You need to tick mark this. You'll have an pop-up saying allowing these changes will happen few things, like you need to accept this. Guys, this will be an step 1. Step 2 will be like don't download applications from untrusted website, because it will be a kind of virus or some kind of malware which will affect your Android device. So step 1 is to do the settings which I showed you. Step 2 is not to install applications from untrusted website. Step 3 is I will show you. Okay guys, see here I am trying to install this application and I was getting an error, so I will uninstall the application. What the error is, I have already installed the application through Google Play Store and now I have downloaded the Mod Apk from some other website and I am trying to install it, but I was getting an error. Now I have uninstalled the original application from the device, and now when I try to install this Mod Apk, I didn't get any app and not installed error. So the issue is fixed. Guys, fourth and last reason is if the application is not supporting the Android version which you are using. Many times the application which you have downloaded will not support the Android version which you are using. Either the application is made for the earlier version or something or other thing. So this were the all four reasons why app not installed error occurs. I hope this was helpful for you. If it was, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, and share with your friends, family and the persons who are having this issue. Okay, thank you very much for joining. Take care. Bye.